What's up? Today I'm going to show you my modular hunger system. It's a first system that I've made and I've decided to make it open sourced. Basically, it's really a plug and play. So here you have these 3 folders. So we'll drag them into their respective places and group them like it says right here. After we have ungrouped all those folders, that's it. The module system now works and you can use it in your game. Here you have setup instructions on how to add new foods, which I'm going to show in this video. And then if you want to change the animation or the sound effects. Now if you want to test it, all we have to do is just go to hunger and replicated storage, add some assets, go to the food assets section, and then we'll copy all of these and paste them into starter pack. After doing that, if you open the tool and scroll down, you'll see attributes. These attributes are what the food value is going to be, so how much hunger the player is going to get. If we went to test it right now and open the output section, there's no prints for now. But after a couple of seconds, you'll see that it prints your current hunger, which is going to deplete by 10. And if we eat something, oh my god, this banana is huge. But we'll save that for last, best for last. If we eat, for example, let's say this cookie, you will have a print here saying consuming cookie. Hunger before eating and the hunger after eating, because the cookie only gives us a singular food value, which we can totally change. You can assign it whatever you want. And we're about to die of starvation, so we're gonna eat this donut. Amazing. Now we're gonna eat this giant banana. Big banana. Yes, delicioso. It gives us -1 hunger value. That's crazy! And that's it. That's really it. Now I'm gonna let it drop to 0 so it kills me. If you want to change anything, just check setup instructions. That's really all you have to do. And then, drop suggestions down below for next systems that you want to see or stuff. And now I'll explain how the module works, and you can really do whatever you want with it. It's gonna be in the description, so check it out. I'm going to explain how this works. It's dynamic, so you can add any food, any kind of food that you want, and you can change the value to whatever you want. All of it is gonna work. Basically here, I'm sorting through the player's backpack, getting the children of it, and then finding if it's a tool, connecting it to a function that checks for the tool that are activated, and then sorting through the module, the foods table, which we are going to see now. This is the foods table, but here I'm inserting any food that it finds in the food assets folder, which is right here, food assets, as you can see. And after that, it compares the name of the tool being activated to the foods that there are. And then if there's a match, eat the food and fires to the server for the food to be destroyed, for the effect to play and destroy the food. Now here we have the hunger system. You can change this. Obviously it doesn't have to kill you. You can change this for anything you want. It could, for example, make you slow down maybe, or stop your regeneration. You can add any code you want. So it just prints. All these prints you can remove, just delete them, they're not going to show up. And that's basically all that there's. There's the hungry function, which just removes the hunger, by hunger drain, which is also customizable, as you can see. This is the hunger variable. Here's the max hunger. Here's the hunger drain, and here's the hunger time. So this is all of it is explained. Here is the time that needs to pass before this amount of hunger is removed. And this is the maximum amount of hunger that you can have. This is the starter variable. So if you want the player to have max hunger when they spawn in, you can just set this to 120. And this is a really simple module, really. You can add any food you want, like I said. And that's basically it. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe, and check out my server in bio.